Serial Dilutions by Layla Ramirez,
Olivia Poca,
and Nicole Jacobs.
This is the threefold serial dilution. We took 4 milliliters from the stock solution and placed it into 8 milliliters of the diluent. This creates a 1/4 tube dilution for each tube going forward. However, the final dilution factor is different for each tube. To find the final dilution of each tube, all you have to do is multiply the tube dilution by the previous final dilution, as shown below.
This is the tenfold serial dilution. We took 1 milliliter of the stock solution and placed it into the tube with 9 milliliters of the diluent. We repeat this step and take 1 milliliter from each tube into the next to produce the tenfold dilution.
Now we will perform a twofold serial dilution. The original stock solution is a concentration of 12 nanograms per milliliter, and we will add 2 milliliters of it into a tube with 2 milliliters of diluent. This will create a 2:4 ratio of solution to diluent, which is equivalent to a tube dilution of 1/2 for all of the tubes going forward. The final dilution factors shrink exponentially for each tube as the concentration decreases. If we wanted to find out the concentration of the 4th tube, we would need to multiply the concentration of the stock solution by the tube's final dilution factor. M1V1 equals M2V2 equations are useful when trying to figure out the needed mass or volume to create a specific solution. To perform this, you will need to substitute the mass and volume of an original solution and the mass and volume of a second solution into the equation, leaving the unknown quantity as its variable and solving for it. If we had a stock solution with molarity of 20 and wanted to create a 300 milliliters of solution with a 3.25 molarity, how many milliliters of the stock solution would need to be used? Pause the video and try it on your own.
First, you plug in the measurements. Now, you do 3.25 molarity multiplied by 300 milliliters, which equates to 975. Then, you take 975 and divide it by the 20 molarity from the original stock solution, which gives you 48.8 milliliters, which is the amount of milliliters in the first tube you would need to prepare 300 milliliters of a 3.25 molarity solution.